Hello folks, it's Thursday evening. You all be seeing this Friday morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody has a great day. Hope everybody has a great and safe weekend. I was just letting you know, we got our watch hours. Um, just waiting on YouTube and everything now to finalize all that stuff there. And we've not forgot about the giveaway. We had hoped to have already had that there. We're still acquiring some of the prizes. And reason we're a little bit running behind, 2 weeks ago, me and Carolyn and Dixie was coming back from the feed store. We was in our car, and as we come around the curve, there was a truck coming, is in our lane, and God was looking out for us. Trust me, because I thought it was going to be a head-on wreck, and the person got over enough back towards his lane there before he turned back to the left to where it just caught behind my door and down the side and tore the car up some. We're still waiting on the insurance and everything, but when he hit us, it knocked us into the guardrail. Thank God the guardrail was there, or it would have been a heck of a drop. Probably 100-foot drop down through there. But we've not forgot about the giveaway. We'll be having more details coming up here soon on that there, how we're going to do it and how we're going to have the prize generator and everything for picking the people out and everything like that there. But no, I was just touching base here with you, letting you know we've not forgot, and hope y'all have a great weekend. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. We'll have a regular video back Monday, hopefully, and just stay safe. But we'll be seeing you soon. Thank y'all for watching.